Nice. Thank you, Lord Jesus Christ, for another day. How's it, guys? Good morning. It's Fix It Angel. Thank you for joining with me. This is a 2013 Acura MDX all-wheel drive, and there's something wrong with the charging system. Let's check it out. So this car got about 105,000 miles. Right there it says check charging system, and we got a battery light right there. Alright, let's test it. 2023, battery's still good. VAT 45. Going out. Alternator's right down there. Alternator test, yes. Size, so just go with 120 amps. Yes. Probe, yep. Amps probe, yes. 2000 RPM. 4 amps. Alternator's bad. Gotta replace it. Alright, let's get started. 10mm. Remove negative cable. Oh, it's all the way down there. Let's get 10. This clip. Get over here. Okay. Let's just remove this. Ooh, what's that? Let's take this out right here. Down over here. Alright. Pull this up. Let's just leave that right there. Whoa. How the hell are we gonna remove the alternator? Man, I don't think we're gonna have enough space. Okay, we'll just leave that there. 10. Just like that. Go down here, remove that boot. 12mm and 3-inch extension. Pull it out. That boot. Pinch him. Ooh, ooh, got it. Remove it. There. Oh, remove that right there. There. Okay, good. Take out the belt. There's the tensioner. Size 14. Yep. Up. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, dang, that's hard. Nope. No can. Upright. Good. Oh, come on, man. Dang it. Make this come off. Dang. Let's make this stay right here. Wedge it there. Find a way to pull this. Oh, here we go. That's good enough. Oh yeah. That's feels like a 12. Yes it is. Look at this. 12, 12. Dang it. Good. And this one right here is 12. Get in there. Oh man. Oh yeah. Alright. Says that. That is 14. There you go. Oh, not that much space. Oh man, it's alright, let's try that again. This is the hardest part, I think. Oh yeah. Gotcha. Time to pull it out. Pull it out, pull it out. Pull it out, pull it out. Wiggle it. Wiggle it up. Come on, baby. Up, up, up. Is it even coming out?
I just took her outside to potty and she did right there.
Kind of. Let's use this Harbor Freight. It's been a long time, this tool. I'm gonna do this. Oh. Motherfucker ass. Astronaut. Let's try to use this. Twist and rock it. Oh, is it working? Is it working? Lock it up. Ouch! Pinched my fucking thumb right here. Oh yeah, it's coming out. I see it. I see it. Oh yeah, boy. Oh man. My back. My back. Cut it out. What the heck? Take this out. Ouch. Get more space. Whoa. heck? Why, Acura? Why? Let's move this belt. Come on. Come on, Jiu-Jitsu grips. Come on. Almost there. Let's pop that out. Give us more space. Oh yeah. This back. Oh yeah, got my grips. Whew. My friend's own relative got this on Amazon. Made in China. They wanted me to put this on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 pin, 4 pin. Yep, 13. 45, 47, 2 millimeters. Got to widen that gap. Push that out. I'm gonna do that. Let's get this. 1/2 inch, 21 millimeter. Like that. Strut nut. A strut nut. Okay, I think that'll work. Let's see if it'll work. Another 14, really stubby. Okay, good. Way to go. Get it. Oh. Thing worked. Alright. Oos. Oh yeah. Good. This motherfucking bitch. My back is killing me. Dang. Come on, get in there. Oh. Oh, shit. Good morning, Dad. I miss you. There we go, yes. Oh, yeah. Where's that bolt? Double check everything. Belts on. Put this back. Connector on. Start it up. Oh yeah. No more warning lights. There we go, looks better. Oh damn, that's really good. 142 amps. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you on my next video. God bless and peace. Cut.